water resources. Speaker sir, my government took over on the major issue was the Mhadei water dispute. We were faced with the award of the tribunal pertaining the diversion of the 3.9 TMC of the water outside the basin. I took immediate steps to challenge the award, and in the Supreme Court as of today, and we have favorable orders from the Supreme Court, stopping Karnataka from carrying out any further work diversion unless the permission under the environmental laws are obtained. We have effectively stopped and further construction diversion of the Mhadei waters. My government is closely monitoring the activity of Karnataka and issue pending before the various central government authorities. We have made a strong case before the regionally empowered committee forest at Bangalore and in New Delhi and do not grant any forest clearance. The Chief Wildlife Warden Goa has issued notice and order to stopping all activities of Karnataka. All party delegation met the Union Minister in New Delhi and made the strong case for the protection of Mhadei. House Committee has been constituted. The help of the expert in the field of environment, forest and hydrology is being obtained. All the departments of the governments are acting in a synchronized manner. We are confident that we shall be able to take all the steps to ensure that no damage diversion take place. We are successfully in agitating our case for Mhadei Water Management Authority Pravaha, and which will help us to stop any illegal diversion by Karnataka. In meanwhile, we are also exploring and coming out of the appropriate plan for utilizing of the waters from the Mhadei Basin for the benefit of the people. We have projects and which are planned and will be taken up upon the following the legal procedure. Our project will be in accordance with the provisions of the environmental law. Such project will be taken up in consequences with our case relating to the Mhadei dispute. 3 new projects have been proposed by the government in the Mhadei Basin at Nirankal, Kazumol and Tatodi, having an average storage capacity of 11.21 MCM, 4 MCM and 5.7 MCM respectively. This project will go a long way in improving the irrigation and drinking water network in Goa. We are committed to the cause of Mhadei and shall not leave any stone unturned in our mission Mhadei. Speaker sir, I am pleased to announce that under the Amrut Sarovar mission of Honorable Prime Minister, the rejuvenation of the 150 numbers water bodies will be completed by March 2023. Speaker sir, the department has planned to harvest 75 lakhs cubic meter of the water supply and 250 MLD of the raw water, an estimated cost of rupees 300 crores to ensure uninterrupted water supply to the North Goa district, and while the Tirali canals are closed for the annual repairs of the unforeseen bridges. Speaker sir, the Center of Excellence to promote the scientific study of the data generated and to prepare the Mathematical Model Center for the Excellence and planned at the Margao and with the World Bank Fund. The work is likely to be completed by the March 2024. Speaker sir, the State Water Informatics System and which will be installed at the Sinchani Bhavan Parvarim, which will provide the real-time data on the water availability and its distribution in the state for the better planning of the infrastructure. Speaker sir, under the river regeneration program, River Sal and Mapsa will be desealed and waterways will be improved at a cost of rupees 25 crores, and in the second phase, the damage embarked will be restored is estimated cost of rupees 22.38 crores. Speaker sir, it will endeavor my government to complete the project as well as to take up the project listed as under the National Cyclone Risk Mitigation Project 2, 116.35 crores in April 23. Interstate Tilari Irrigation Project, 1,465, April 23. The Lift Irrigation Scheme at Malkarne, 30 crores, May 23. The Lift Irrigation Scheme at Mopa Village, 10 crores. The construction of the box conduct canal at Kapem and Paroda, 13 crores. The use of mining peat water for irrigation in Bicholim and Sattari Taluka, 16 crores. The construction of the flowed water pumping system for Mala area of Panjim city, 16 crores. The development of the Santinij Nala for flood control, drainage and water quality improvement, 41 crores.